With Just Do, you can easily manage your team, division or enterprise at any scale. Working with Just Do is simple. First, list the departments of your business. Set the goals and objectives for each department and then break them down further by creating an unlimited number of child tasks. Invite your team members, vendors, or clients to collaborate with you. Control what should be accessible by each member. Members can only view, edit, and add child tasks to the tasks shared with them. Easily transfer the ownership of tasks to delegate responsibilities. Until tasks are accepted, they also stay with the original task owner. A task always has an owner. Communicate to resolve ongoing issues. Provide and receive status updates. Set due dates. Prioritize. Attach files and emails. Get notifications, issue reports, and so much more. Choose more tools from Just Do's extensions library to handle resources, meetings, dependencies, and create custom fields or ticket queues. You can even create your own tailor-made extension. With less friction and last-minute surprises, you save time and money by doing it with Just Do. Join the growing community of business owners, team leaders, entrepreneurs, CEOs and VPs across a wide range of industries who all use Just Do to reach their goals.